Welcome to MGV Arts, Commerce and Science College, Malegaon City, Nasik. Department of Geography, Class SYBSc Semester 3rd, Paper 2nd, Code 232, Geography of Maharashtra, Physical Part 1st. Dear student, today we are going to on the syllabus of SYBSc Geography of Maharashtra. There are two parts of Maharashtra. First part is physical of Maharashtra, which are the learning the semester 3rd, and second part is human geography of Maharashtra, which we learn 4th semester. So what is the syllabus of the geography of Maharashtra? Physical part. Let's go to the syllabus. Unit number 1. Topic Introduction to Geography of Maharashtra. We have seen location, extent, geographical position, and learning point of this topic. Point number 1. Introduction to Maharashtra, geology, history and political background. Number 2. Location and extent of Maharashtra. Number 3. Administrative division of Maharashtra. Unit number 2. Physiographic and drainage of Maharashtra. We have covered major physiographic division of Maharashtra, major river in Maharashtra. The learning point of this topic. Point A. Physical division of Maharashtra. The sub-point of the learning. Number 1. The Konkan coastal line. Number 2. Western Ghat Sahyadri. Number 3. Maharashtra plateau. And point B. Major river in Maharashtra. Tapi, Godavari. Unit number 3. Topic Climate. We have covered characteristic and season. The learning point of this topic. Point first. Characteristic of climate in Maharashtra. Number 2. Temperature and rainfall distribution. Number 3. Importance of monsoon. Now last unit of this semester, third. Unit number 4. Topic Soil and natural vegetation. The subtopic of this topic. Types and distribution of soil, method and conservation of the soil, vegetation, types and distribution of vegetation, methods of forest, conservation of the forest. Now learning point of this topic. Point 1. Types of soil, soil of erosion, meaning of soil, definition, causes and effect. Number 3. Method of soil. Number 4. Point A. Afforestation. B. Soil management. Point C. Crop rotation. Point D. Construction of dam. And point B. Natural vegetation. The sub-point of the natural vegetation. Point number 1. Types of vegetation. Number 2. Deforestation and meaning, causes and effects. Methods of vegetation. Number 1. Reforestation, afforestation. We have covered the third semester of SYBSc Geography of Maharashtra. Geography of Maharashtra. Now let us the first chapter number 1, Introduction to the Maharashtra. India is a country in South Asia. India is the most populous democracy in the world. The most popular state of India. Number 1. Rajasthan. number 2 Madhya Pradesh, number 3 Maharashtra, and number 4 Uttar Pradesh. Now today we have to discuss about introduction to geography of Maharashtra. The word Maharashtra is derived from Sanskrit word Maha, meaning great, Rashtra meaning nation, thus reading, and the name Maharashtra, great nation. Location of Maharashtra. Maharashtra, neighboring state of Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Telangana. This is the neighboring state of Maharashtra. Extent of Maharashtra. Latitude extension 15 degree 48 minute north to 22 degree 6 minute north. Longitude extension 72 degree 36 minute east to 80 degree 54 minute east. The size of Maharashtra 937% of total geographical area of India. Third largest state after Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Length and shape. The length of shape area covered of the Maharashtra 3,80,000 square kilometer, 10% of national. Coastal line 720 kilometer, population 98.8, and density of Maharashtra 320% square kilometer. The north-south length 700 kilometer and east-west 850 kilometer. The shape of Maharashtra triangle. Extension. Now we have you see that the latitude and longitude. Latitude 16 degree to 22 degree north and longitude 73 degree east to 81 degree east. This is the longitude and extension of Maharashtra. Geographical position. Geographical position looked at the map of the Maharashtra. Geography east, west, north, south. There are some states. North side Madhya Pradesh and north west side Gujarat, south side Karnataka, and east south Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and east side of the Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, and southwest side Goa. This is the location and geographical boundary covered of the Maharashtra. State of Maharashtra is located toward western side of India. It is located center to the west, neighboring state and Gujarat to the northwest, Madhya Pradesh to the north, Chhattisgarh to the east, Telangana to the southeast, Karnataka to south, and Goa to the southwest. Maharashtra is the third largest state by area in India. Maharashtra geology. Geology means study of the earth. Maharashtra is located on Deccan Tract. Deccan Tract covers Madhya Pradesh and Karnataka. Deccan Tract is mostly formed by basalt type of rocks. The formation of rock is classified into groups. First, Pertrapian rocks located Nagpur, Bandra, Chandrapur, Gadchiroli, Sindhudurg, Ratnagiri district. Second, Deccan Tract basalt rock. It covered nearly 2/3 part of Maharashtra. It varies from few meters to the east near the Nagpur, 2000 meters at Mumbai. Number 3, Decades. It is the numerous decades they follow east-west orientation, particularly found in Nandurbar district. In coastal area, they are oriented north-south direction. Number 4. Alluvial formation. It is include alluvial and colluvium deposited. This is the formation of river deposition to form alluvial soil. These are the found in Tapi, Purna, Godavari, Bhima, Krishna, Paiganga, Vaiganga, etc. This is divided by the two parts. First part is older alluvium, second is the younger alluvium. Older alluvium, Tapi basin, 20-meter depth, Javel area of Jalgaon district. Second, younger alluvium, it includes floodplains in riverbed, sandbars, bar, leaves, mudflat, trace, meandering point, bars, pool clay deposit, Godavari, Upper Bhima, Chandripur, Bori, etc. This is the younger alluvium formation. Historical background of the Maharashtra. Maharashtra in ancient times, human beings settled caves and forest area. The symptoms of human settlements of stone and bronze age and slowly invention of the wheels and continuous the starting of the life. Kings of Satavahan family ruled the area of 235 BC to 225 AD. Chalukya Rashtrakoot Yedas of Devgiri ruled about the 11th century. The great king Shivaji established welfare state in Maharashtra and surrounding. 17th century, the Maharashtra rose under the leadership of Chhattisgarh Chhatrapati Shivaji against the Mughal who were ruling a large part of India. After great King Shivaji, Peshwa ruled over Maharashtra. British rule of India and seems to Maharashtra for 150 years. After independence on 1 May 1960, separated two states, Gujarat and Maharashtra, and 1st May celebrate of the Maharashtra Day. Now Maharashtra is developed in cultural and social aspect. Political background. Political background of Maharashtra has attained progress out of 5-year plans. This state has achieved huge political performance. There are 48 parliament members out of 548 from great King Shivaji to till date. There is efforts to got Delhi, Congress, NCP, BJP, Shiv Sena are the national parties ruling over Maharashtra since independence. Other regional parties are also there. Now currently politician of the Maharashtra is Uday Thackeray Shiv Sena parties and the capital of the Maharashtra is Mumbai. Thank you.